marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. No champion has been decided yet in this one. It's 12 scale, 17.5, 8-3. We're going racing in less than 5. Restart. 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 We had the 8th on the grid jump, and then the top 5 didn't make it through the first turn clean, so let's do that again, guys. Bodine in the 1, Mason in the 2, Barnes in the 3, Cop in the 4, Booney in the 5, Nelson in the 6, Yoder in the 7. Yeah, and for now, we almost made it through the whole event with no reason. Let's have a good start here, guys. If you get 8 minutes. All right. Quarter marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. Nice and easy, guys. Never off and running. Big swarm into the chicane. We're off and running. 2-car breakaway. Bodine out in front. Todd in second. Scott in third. All right, Todd Mason picking up the top spot. Fully charged battery. Bodine in the second spot. 13.4. In the white and orange. Now the white orange back out in front. Todd down to second. Scott Barnes in the third spot, then the orange and blue. 1 minute in and 7 minutes left to go, guys. 1 minute in and 7 minutes left to go. Bodine out in front by a half a second over Todd Mason, white and orange. Coming up on traffic already. Oh, man. Is that Mason? All right, so Barnes going to pick up a spot here. Todd Mason dropping out of the top 3 is going to be James Nelson up in the third. Todd struggling a little bit here. 6.5 minutes to work it back. 1:45 minutes, 6:15 left to go, guys. 1:45 minutes, 6:15 left. Brian, Scott, and James followed by Todd and Brandon round out the top 5. 2 down and 6 to go. Got 2 down, 6 to go. Bodine, Barnes, and Nelson, Falcon, Mason, and Moody, Yoder, Yam, Grinali. Our race leader in the white and orange down the back. Down the back straightaway now. Barnes in the second spot, the blue and orange, and then Todd Mason working his way back up in the third. James Nelson in fourth and Brandon Moody to round out the top 5, followed by Rick, Jim, Ryan, and Tim. Race number 43 F1. That race number 43 F1 is coming up next. Three down and 5 to go. Got 3 down, 5 to go. Bodine, Barnes, and Mason, followed by Nelson and Moody to round out the top 5 here. Yoder and Yam are only battle out on the track right now. His for the 6th position. F1 is getting ready to go. Got race number 43. Brian, Scott, and Todd are top 3. It's going to be a 3.6 second lead for the orange and white. Scott Barnes in the second spot, trailing the race leader by about 8 straightaway and a half. And then Todd Mason in third. Mason in the blue and pink in front of the driver's stand out. All right, guys, we are officially halfway there, just beyond the halfway mark now. 4 minutes left. So Bodine out in front by 3.6 last time by. I believe Bodine was our winner from A1. Yep. So Bodine in A1, first place. In A2, ninth place. So Bodine, if he could win, this one will be our champion. Barnes in the second spot, trailing now by 3.7. I believe it was Todd Mason who won the A2. I'll look that up real quick. Okay. So Mason was our winner from A2. Right now Mason is battling it out with Scott Barnes for the second position, separated by 1.7. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left to go. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Barnes and Mason separated by 0.8 of a second. So Todd trying to creep his way back in. Todd will have to reach all the way to the point to win the championship here. So we'll keep an eye on that blue and pink. Currently trailing the race leader by 4.1 seconds, so it's within reach. Our race leader in the orange and white, down off the end of the straight, he's got clean air out in front of him. Second and third can work through traffic here, guys. Move out of the way for the blue and orange and the blue and pink. Thanks. And we'll be coming up on one more driver, James Nelson, for that battle for second. We'll be coming up on James in a couple laps here. 140 left to go, guys. 140. All right, Barnes and Mason battling it out for the 2 spot here across the start finish line. They're also coming up on James Nelson. Let's see if that blue and pink winner of A2 can get around Barnes and try to catch Bodine, but there's only 1 minute left. Bodine's been pretty smooth. Our winner from A1 leading the way here. 40 seconds left to go, guys. 40 seconds left to go. Brian, Scott, and Todd, 35 left on the timer. Race leader coming up on the blue and gray down the back straightaway. Thanks, Rick. Oh man, so it looks like Todd Mason falling back a little bit. So our race leader, Bodine, on cruise control here. Looking at a championship title for our inaugural WCIC, the West Coast Indoor Championships. Got a couple more main events to go here today, guys. White flag is out. We cross the start-finish line. He will be done. Todd Mason, done with third. Here's our race winner and champion, Brian Bodine. You're done with the win and the championship title. And that's the race. Everybody is done. Let's bring him in and shut him down. Brian Bodine take the win. Scott Barnes second. Todd Mason third. Bring him in, shut him down.